This is the Rain Oculus, a colossal water feature that mesmerizes onlooker with its perpetual motion. As I stand here, the powerful jet of water surges upwards, only to cascade gracefully into the pool below, creating a rhythmic sound that echoes through the atrium. And here, beneath the iconic petrol-like structures of the ArtScience Museum, lies a tranquil oasis in the heart of Singapore Marina Bay Sands. The lotus pond, a symbol of purity and rebirth, mirrors the sky above, while lily pads float gently on the surface, creating a tapestry of green amidst the calm waters. As I wander through this peaceful enclave, the city skyline looms in the distance, a stark contrast to the natural elegance at my feet. This is a place where architecture and nature converse in silent harmony, offering a moment of reflection for all who pass by. Behold the ArtScience Museum, Singapore's lotus masterpiece, where architecture and innovation fuse in a dance of light and learning.